my channel and welcome if you're new. This is chaotic.allure here, and I am just back with this video just to show you guys how I whiten my teeth at home with this kit from Smilesciences, and I'm just gonna show you guys a little demo and talk to you guys about it more. And let's get into the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Hey guys, so look what I just got in the mail today, and this is a whitening kit from Smilesciences, and it's bubblegum flavored. And on the box it says that it's up to 10 shades whiter and it will not cause sensitivity. So the back of the box give you all the instruction that you need to just, you know, follow that. So I'm gonna show you guys what's in the box first, and then we're gonna go ahead and set everything up to whiten our teeth. Upon opening, it's a cute little package. It says Smile on the top, and it comes with teeth whitening pen that you could use on the go. If you travel a lot, you could definitely use this a lot. The next one is this is the teeth whitening gel. After that, it comes with the little LED light, and that's what it looks like. Let me open it so you guys can see it better. Yeah, so this is the little LED light. These are the mouth trays, so you're gonna just, you know, use these two things are pretty much vitamin E sticks for your gums if they're sensitive and stuff like that. And right here is a card where you could compare your before and after pictures to see the different shades your teeth would go to. Like, let's say your teeth was a 7 and you've been using it consistently, you'll see the progress from the 7 to the 1 or the 7 to the 4, whatever, and so on. Yeah, I suggest that you brush your teeth first before doing anything because it will show better results. And yeah, can you guys believe that this little box was it's worth $299, but if you use my code chaotic, it will be $29. Like, hello, it can't get any better than that. But anyway, don't mind my nails again. I was trying out this new dip powder thing and I kind of messed up, and I'm too lazy to take them off, so whatever. So let's start setting everything up. First thing we're gonna do is I don't really want to show that part, but you're just gonna take a little bit of water because we're gonna need to fit these like we're gonna need to kind of mold these to fit better into our mouths. So you're gonna take some water and you're gonna boil it for 5 minutes, and you're gonna let it cool down quickly. So when you first get your little LED light thing, there's this, it's not gonna turn on for some reason. I don't know why it did that, but there was this thing, like this little thing on top of this. You're just gonna take out the batteries and you're gonna place them back. So the plus sign on the back has to face you. The beginning of this video was filmed about 2.5 weeks ago. Okay, so this is a quick video. I'm just gonna talk about this whitening kit from Smilesciences. Pretty much it comes in 2 flavors, mint and bubblegum, and I got the bubblegum flavored. And so before I even say anything, I just want to let you guys know that I have a coupon code for you guys. With my code, it's $29. So I don't know about y'all, but that sounds like a pretty good deal. Before we get into the video, also I want to give a big shout out to my friend mondyna. She's been using it religiously since last year for like months, like I think since like October if I'm not mistaken, way before that. And her teeth are, you know, it works for her. She's consistent with it, and it's just like, I just wanted to give it a try, and I did, and it actually works. I've used it 6 times already.
It's 5 o'clock.
It's 5 o'clock. I've used it 6 times already, 3 times a week, so I've been using it for 2 weeks now, and I do the sometimes I do this one with the mouth spray, and I do the pen. I do the mouth spray twice a week, and then this one, the third one, is the syringe. And yeah, so I've been like keeping track of my tooth shade with this card, and I went from a 6 to like a 4.5 kind of, and I'm just really excited. So I just wanted to go ahead and make this video for you guys and, like, you know, tell you more about this whitening kit. Yeah, so make sure you don't get like saliva inside of this, because you know you don't want it to like get broken, because it's part of the whole process. But yeah, Smilesciences is very good and it does work. Like I said, again, you will not see results right away. Like, you're not gonna see drastic like results right away, because obviously that's not really, you know, like, you're not gonna go from a 5 to a 1 in one use. You just have to be consistent with it. And yeah, I use it 3 times a week. I've been using it for 2 weeks, 3 times a week, so that's 6 times. And I think I can. So you take it, right? You take the little whitening gel, place it. A little goes a long way, so and you leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. And before you do that, just make sure like you brush your teeth first, and you use this tooth shading card that they have to help you figure out which color your teeth was. Pretty much I was a 6, and I jumped to like a 4.5 in a period of 2 weeks, and I use it 3 times a week. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. So yeah, for this hair, I have a video posted for it. I'm gonna leave it in the screen somewhere, so go check it out if you guys have any questions about it. And it was very affordable, so definitely go check it out. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and yeah.